see. We want to see.
Okay, the front hedge, you're working on it.
Well, I don't know what the question is. Which hedge are you talking about? When you say the front, the little one in front of the sign, or the big one that has the white fly?
The white
I went to
fly.
your office. That has not even been discussed. We haven't discussed removing the bushes.
You
That's a
did
big-
discuss.
No, that's a
I
big
can't.
deal.
Okay.
We discussed, that was an off-the-record meeting to discuss how.
I tell you what, why don't we table it? Motion to table the hedge? Peg? Fred, table? Table, agreed. And Windstream, contract? Is there a motion to
Looking
end?
into, would be our next?
I'm not looking into anything.
So then
Windstream,
Windstream would just open the gates and let everybody in and out?
everybody has the code, everybody's got clickers, it doesn't matter. And the
It does
Windstream?
matter.
And Windstream, contract?
What are the other options?
Cause so much
Yes,
trouble.
yep.
I'll make a motion only for discussion.
There's no good discussion.
Peg, it went up like to 400 and something. Remember I sent out the
Who would we
paper?
be switching to? If we end Windstream's contract?
They
who would
require
we be-
45 days. I have to find another company.
Well, then before that we can change, then I say we look
No,
at
you
the
didn't hear. I
information.
can't keep talking, Gwendolyn. I can't do it.
Well, this is how, but you
No, it's
research.
45 days. I will find a company in 2 weeks.
But then we're under the gun.
No, you didn't hear me. You
Yes,
didn't
we have
hear it.
45 days to find a new
They
company.
can't keep quiet. Nobody
They
can.
canceling the telephone service in 3 months.
It's 45 days. When I went to call prior, it's like 2
We're
weeks to
talking
change
about the
over.
front entrance.
Okay, listen,
So,
the
Peg,
wind
I got to get through this
phone
meeting.
company.
We want to hear
He
you, you're
wants to
talking too
cancel,
low, you're not shouting, but you're
and I
talking
want to
too
know the
low.
next option.
Can you explain what the problem is to them?
My voice is giving out.
The
He's the one that
reaction
said
that,
it.
you guys just now, that reaction, that divides, that makes people angry, that makes, the
No, we
meeting
don't
not
need to
go
hear
forward.
your bullshit.
Okay, should we try again?
No.
And would you like to stand up and apologize to the entire room for what you just said?
No, I will not.
Okay.
And I'm sure they back me up.
apology is not necessary.
Could any of
You
you,
spoke the truth.
You second it?
Is it still burning with you, by the way?
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, it's burning. Yeah.
I have no clue either.
No clue either.
Me?
I don't think we should be canceling any contracts until we have more information with other,
You sent it. No, Gwendolyn, it's 400 and something.
I saw it, yes.
So it went from 100 and something.
I understand that.
So it's 45 days. It
Okay.
takes 2 weeks to find, they'd have to cancel it now. 'Cause
But
then
who
it-
says the new company isn't gonna be 400
We
or
have to figure it
500
out.
or
It could go
600?
to a wireless. Did you see what else it says? Wireless directory. We may have to go that
So
route.
more information to follow.
Okay, so you don't want to cancel it.
I'm not opposed to canceling, I just want to have more information on who you're going to.
I tell you what, why don't you look into it and
I
get
know
back
you've
to
already
me?
started the process, I'll let you keep it.
Yeah, because you can't do it, I know.
It's not that I can't do it, you started it, you can finish it.
No.
Yeah.
I tell you what, it's either gonna cancel it or let it stay the way it is. River Shores Board canceled the line up at the office, so it won't work anyway, so it's your choice. Do whatever you want. It's a free world.
I'm not taking it.
No, not here.
Not here.
Not here.
Not here.
So,
Until you leave this place, it's not gonna be a free world.
oh, that is,
Fred, say whatever you want, I don't give a shit what you're gonna say. So maybe we should stop talking.
what did you say?
I'm gonna keep saying what I wanna say. You wanna make a comment, I'm not even listening, they're not listening.
folks, we gotta get through this. These poor cops are wasting their time.
Let's get it straight, you're wasting their time. I'm no threat, they're no threat. We don't have guns, we don't have knives here. I don't even know how to throw a punch, to be honest with you.
We just
So
want the
we're not
real
a threat.
president to continue, the real president.
That's
Thank
right.
you.
Bruce,
If you
Thank you, I
start
will.
the meeting off right, we wouldn't be in this predicament.
Okay, we're having a board
If Bruce
meeting,
was the meeting-
and you need to be quiet. We are having a board
If
meeting.
Bruce was the president, like it was supposed to be, this meeting.
Will you be quiet?
Thank
You guys, we cannot go on, we'll keep having these type of
Don't go on, we
interruptions.
don't want
We don't want
to.
you to go on,
You
because
too. Will you
got some
stand
stuff
up?
to talk
Stand
about
up.
is
No.
worthless.
Okay,
Stand
okay,
up.
folks, folks, we're never gonna get through this agenda. So
Okay.
let's hold back for a bit.
Sure, Bruce.
Yeah.
Can I make a motion to table this until we have more information?
Sure, it won't work because I'm canceling River Shores, so in 45 days, nothing will be
Let's get
working.
some more information.
Yeah, okay, so it's table.
Would you stop?
No.
Of course not. Stand
It's
up and
burning,
take-
burning,
I'm an
burning.
owner and I can say whatever I want.
It's
Not during a board meeting. So,
It's burning.
I'm an
stand
owner
up.
and I can say whatever I want.
Will you
I
stand
want.
up and turn around and let everybody know what you've said?
Pardon me?
Turn around, stand up, tell everybody what you've
Oh, you're
said.
not in
I'm an
charge.
owner and I can say anything I want at a
That's
meeting.
not what I'm talking. That's not what I'm talking about.
All right, next item.
That, a dime won't get me a cup of
parking lot monitor. We seem to have a parking issue, so I think we should vote on looking into, possibly once I find somebody to patrol the parking lot for all three associations, making sure everybody's parked in the right spot. Because word got back to me that somebody at River Bend, the board said to one of the tenants over there, by all means, use River Shores parking. So that's when I sent you an email. Yeah. It was not a nice email because what I had sent was not very nice. So I think we need
Thank
to
you.
have somebody monitor the whole area, including the front, make sure everybody's properly where they belong.
You do it.
We do
When you
our
say
own
proper-
monitoring.
Yeah.
When you say, does that mean like parking, pulling in? Because I know there's a lot of people on Avon that back in, and their trunks and the beds of their pickup truck are on top of the sidewalks. You have an awful lot of elderly people walking dogs
I saw
in
that.
front of Avon, and it's kind of dangerous. So you're gonna have somebody monitor that as well?
I don't know, we haven't gotten that far yet.
And are you
Well, I
also
think it's a
talking
good- I think
about
it's a good
people
idea.
parking in
Just-
their proper space?
I think it's a good idea.
Is that what it is?
Thank you.
Why are you commenting? It says at the end,
There's issues that
Okay,
need to
just
be,
go on.
yeah, is there a motion to start going towards getting a parking lot babysitter?
No,
We
Yes.
need to.
Mrs. Cook?
we monitor our own
Excuse me.
parking lot.
Bruce, I have to
It doesn't matter, Middle River Club will pay for it.
No.
Okay,
No.
so Peg,
Hang on one second.
no, we don't want to hear him anymore. I'm tired of listening to his shit.
I want to
Time to
hear.
listen to your shit.
Maybe we
Okay.
could take it up with River Shores and just have River Shores monitor.
No, because remember, they're using our parking, and you can't touch their parking.
They won't if we have River Shores.
Yeah, Peg, let them pay, That's the
They
way.
don't want it. Just
Tony,
saying they
just
want
for
it.
clarification, when you sent me the email about the individual parking in your spot, I did respond to that.
You did.
And they're not parking in your
Correct.
spaces.
But is it true that somebody from the board over there says, go ahead and park there?
I don't know what the board members have said.
Okay.
okay, I need to ask a question, I'm sorry, but I need to
No,
ask a
thank
question.
you.
Are you talking
No,
about
thank
parking
you.
in
No,
your
thank
spot?
you.
Like if your spot
No,
is
thank
21,
you.
is he talking about a person parking in their spot 21?
Peg,
Would
you see,
somebody
it's
answer that
never gonna
question for
work
me?
until they get
He's
what they
maybe
want.
talking about
It's
people.
just easier to
if you
ram
were
it
to
down.
park in a River Shores
telling-
guest spot
That's what we're.
Okay.
Yeah.
without getting permission to park there.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it really is for the community, to make sure everybody's parked where they belong. Like, are they parking
I
like,
parked in somebody else's spot by accident.
You know?
Is
Hey,
that person gonna be,
too
Let
big.
them go for it and
the
let's just
patrol
take care of
person is gonna
ourselves.
be,
yeah, but then we have to patrol them. See, it's their behavior,
This is the
you
first
see what
I've
I'm
heard.
saying?
But is it clarification on
Bruce,
your
can you
personal
continue
spot
the
that
meeting,
belongs to your
please?
unit, or are you talking about guest spots?
Yes.
Okay, we monitor our own, so I don't wanna pay for a company to drive around and tell
Well, you
us.
could vote no, it depends. If the majority votes yes, then it will happen.
How much is a company like that cost?
I have no idea.
You see, that's,
Wait till we get to the vote.
we don't
Yeah.
have enough information.
Right, I know you don't have enough, but we've had things so long wait to get things done around here.
It wasn't on the agenda last year, it wasn't
Well,
on the
you know, when
agenda
you
this
hear
year
these
for a parking
things,
monitor.
yeah.
This is new business.
It's always new business because every week it's something new with nonsense. Peg, you wanna table it?
Yeah, we'll discuss it.
Okay, table it. Table it, okay, no problem.
and I think I have to ask it again.
Okay, number 9.
Wait a minute, we're up to number 8, dogs around the pool. So, I'm giving the board, well, you already received the legal opinion, we already rent it, the dogs are allowed around the pool.
No.
You are
According to the
entitled-
health department, I said
Ask
dogs are
the
not allowed
officers.
around the pool.
Let's take a
According to the
vote.
Florida Health Department.
Right.
I have a question.
No. We're not interested in your question. We're not interested in your question.
At the end of the meeting.
That's all I want to know.
Can you ask that at the end?
At the
Just
end.
ask it at the end.
That's just-
So, this is not my or our personal opinion. This is the legal opinion from the Middle River Club attorney.
What is her name? You never tell us.
It's the same one Marilyn always
May I have her
quotes.
name, please?
Yes, it is Andrew Black Esquire.
And her name?
Karina something.
Is she a PA or
Ski something. I don't know how you say her last name. Yeah.
It's a health thing.
It's a Florida
It's a state
law
thing.
that doesn't
You know,
allow.
you're so smart, Mrs. Mrs. Welch. Can you explain something to me? Federal law supersedes state law, correct?
But we're a community. If we feel that pool area should not have dogs in it.
Are you kidding me?
Wait, no. We feel, has nothing to do with it.
Emotional support animals are different than handicapped dogs.
I don't understand why we are still talking about this. We obviously
Here, right here.
have been presented with information. I've even given you the code that states there
So?
are, yes,
So?
so what?
We have a legal.
If you take
We
down the
have the
signs for the
law.
dogs, we're gonna be in violation.
if the board...
I didn't say take the sign down.
What are you saying?
Leave the sign.
And
but the
allow
doors
it,
are yes.
ignore it. Ignore the law.
But you're gonna allow animals.
Right.
Oh,
Oh, I'll tell you.
yeah, tell me the sense in that.
One of the group, your friends, all your friends, your group,
No, owners of the property. Say it right, not for owners of the property.
Could they speak?
that's a good way of saying
Thank you.
it. One of the unit owners over in River Shores had the dog running around unleashed.
So they
around-
violated the law. The case closed. They were told, they had to be told, you leave the pool with the
Oh,
dog.
well, no, if one does it, we must allow everybody to do it.
Just because one person violates the law does not mean.
The poor
that
guys
we
are
just turn the
laughing
whole
at
thing
it.
upside down.
They're
So-
laughing at you. They're not laughing at us. They're
Okay,
laughing at
let me
you.
ask you
So you're
something.
saying if someone breaks the law,
And that-
then everyone can break the law?
That makes sense.
Well, yeah, that's basically it.
I just want, because if,
So next time there's a dog,
if the Middle River Club
That's the way to deal with it. I would do the same thing if it was one of
to
my
allow
neighbors.
dogs at the pool and supersede state law,
Right. We could be held liable.
then the Middle River Club
Right.
is breaking their fiduciary, their duties
Correct.
to the club.
Exactly.
You have made a decision to violate
Correct.
state law, so we will have to pay the fine.
Correct.
Residents, because our money pays.
And why?
Because the lawyer's opinion says the federal
Oh,
housing.
the opinion of the lawyer. We want the real information, not opinion.
One opinion does not supersede Florida state law.
Opinion is inconsistent. Service animals, as we said, are allowed at the pool. Emotional support animals are not. So
Okay.
see, they are correct. Service animals, yes.
That's not what the opinion says.
Yes, so they're correct.
They're incorrect. Let me ask you something. Let me ask you something. Florida law, there was a constitutional amendment that says no gay marriage.
that has nothing to do with it.
Stop. Wait. Listen to this.
Is that right?
Nobody wants to listen to that.
Florida law,
Has nothing to do with what we're talking about, so let's move on.
You haven't heard it.
Move on.
You haven't heard it.
What are you talking? You don't know.
I know you're confused.
Please sit
Superseded
down.
by the U.S. Constitution.
all you want.
All I want. Stop. Bang, 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 bang.
Let him finish. Be quiet, please. He needs to finish. Will you sit down? Sit down.
He asked me, Tony.
Well, wait a second.
You were answering,
How
Tony.
about abortion?
Oh, great.
What are you talking about?
Not gays or babies.
Federal law supersedes state law. That's the point.
And there's no federal law that says
The
dogs are
question of what's your
allowed.
This guy is having
constitutional
the
right.
meeting.
Your federal constitutional right, the Supreme Court has determined you have a right to marry under the federal constitution.
Right.
Has nothing to do with the state law. You're talking apples and oranges. One, the federal thing you talked about was that it's an emotional right. If you have an emotional need, you can have a service dog. The Florida thing talks about hearing, sight, etc.
Handicapped. Handicapped.
You can't just have a dog. You have to have either an emotional, you're so crazy you can't walk down the street without your dog in front of you, or you have a hearing, sight, some other problem. If you have those things and you certify them, you can have your dog. You
Correct.
still can't put the dog in the pool.
Correct.
For heaven's sakes, we're wasting so much time on nonsense.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
So he said, thank you very much for that. Emotional support and animals.
They're different.
Forget about the
They're
dogs,
different.
next.
Enough, come on, next move,
So
these
dogs
things are
are not
important.
allowed in the pool.
Let's get to the bone.
You're deliberately stalling, come on, let's move on to the next topic.
Bulk scum.
It's
Somebody make a
amazing.
motion.
It just is amazing.
Sculpture.
So, the board has a legal opinion, then I'm gonna
Yes.
pass it out to all the residents at River Shore, so they can make a determination, and then if you wanna monitor them, that's fine.
Look at the presently, federal law supersedes.
Correct.
Can I make a motion that we're gonna follow federal law?
Yes. so we
Well,
have-
how about the attorney's opinion?
We like to see the law number.
We want the attorney here. We want the attorney here to explain this to us.
Yeah.
These poor guys are gonna need a beer after this.
Other things, bring the lawyer here, have him explain it.
Okay, please stop and be quiet now. We'd like to go forward
Look,
with the
I've been a lawyer for 50 years.
Thank you.
I'm not practicing and I'm not licensed in Florida. I'm retired. But I know enough to know you're just wasting your time talking this nonsense.
Great.
Thank you.
Forget
The
it.
point is, we asked the lawyer, that's his opinion. Not my opinion, the attorney's
The
opinion.
opinion is just,
Just keeps on repeating.
Right. Exactly, yeah.
I make a motion to not allow emotional support dogs at the pool, and
you have to have all extra support.
That's the
You
law.
just heard, wait, you just heard that it's illegal under federal law, and you want to, us to vote on it to break the law?
correct, I do not.
Gwendolyn, you're asking us to vote on something illegal. Federal law says that we have
It's a health
given an opinion.
Yes, I mean, the bottom line is, based on Florida.
Guys, I am so sorry, really, you have no
So
idea.
Gwendolyn, we can't bring up stuff that is illegal.
Exactly.
And vote on it.
Yeah, it's a health problem.
I know, it's great.
Federal law says.
So is peeing in the pool.
Where did that
Where did everything you?
pain in the pool? That's nothing, you come up with the most ridiculous statements.
Stop it.
So Peg, there's a
Thank you.
motion to accept the attorney's opinion as federal law. No? It's not your decision.
Yes, it is. We live here, we pay, we're
We're in
making
the pool.
decisions.
We don't want
Good.
dogs in there.
Guess what? You can take your decision and shove it.
Shove it where? Shove it where?
This is a board member.
Where do you want to shove
Woo!
it?
Woo! It's burning!
You wanna tell me where
Is
you're
it
gonna
still
shove it?
burning?
Is that a threat? Was that a threat just
Will you
now?
sit
Shove
down?
it. Where are you gonna shove it?
Get away!
Where are you
Get
gonna
away!
It's not.
You sign your emails to me, your nightmare. Is that a threat?
It's not.
That was.
Is that a threat? What do you mean, your nightmare? What does that mean?
Things are gonna change here.
Things are, you better believe things are gonna
That's
change.
correct.
You better believe
That's
it.
right, so we started it already.
Your nightmare?
Bruce being the president at the last meeting changed it, and you're pissed off because Bruce became the president. And you can't live with this. Right. And you didn't even, your mother wasn't even here. And you did it then.
Yeah.
On the phone.
The bottom line is, Peg, Fred, and Tony were agreeing with the legal opinion, correct?
Of course.
I'd like to make a
Bottom
motion,
line is.
no dogs at the pool. That clarifies if we can't bring any laws. There isn't
Be a president, so this went on and on.
Federal law.
there isn't a dog here that's properly licensed to go anywhere with their owner.
Peg,
Emotional support dogs.
you forgot the video I gave you the other day. You forgot the video I sent you the other day.
I saw it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're never gonna,
That's
it's
why
gonna
there
be
should be no
select
dogs at
people,
the pool.
correct, but it's always gonna happen.
And you're saying that because
you tell them
people
to-
did not
Tony,
make
it's
them leave?
important that we follow the law.
Right.
The board cannot police
Correct.
everything that happens.
How
As long
concerned
as the
was the
law
motion?
is stated, then
Correct.
the board is covered.
But Peg,
And you're putting your.
I'm telling you, you're never gonna win
And
this.
stop. We have to go
Believe,
by.
I'm not telling you what to do.